I am a president of a sovereign state, and we have long ceased to be a colony. I do not have any master except the Filipino people. Nobody but nobody. You must be respectful. Do not just throw questions and statements. Everybody has a terrible record of extrajudicial killing. We make an issue about crack fighting crime. Hindi nga niya maubos-ubos yung sa Mexican border niya. Look how the human rights of America along that line. The way how they treat the migrants there. Masyado kayong believe sa Amerika. Bumilib kayo dito sa atin. Huwag sa Amerika.